When you open up your DAW, bam, you should already have color code. Boom, mixer is pre-routed. Kapow! Channels list populated, organized, and ready to make sound. Let's talk about the playlist. This is where you lay it down. I got my leads in green, bass yellow, drums blue, effects teal, vocals pink. Let the colors guide you. If I need to add stuff on the fly, I got room for those too. I keep automation underneath whatever MIDI or audio it's controlling. Yes, I know about instrument tracks. They're a great update, but I haven't even touched them. If I need to add more tracks, I can add more tracks. If I need more space for automation, I can add more tracks. Reorganize tracks by holding shift and moving to wheel. Side note, automation clips always populate to the top of the current playlist view. I want to see everything in the playlist when all the tracks are collapsed. Let's talk about channel rack. I have two channel groups, instruments and drums. Audio clips and automation clips are auto-generated groups. Add a new channel to a group with Alt plus G. And add or change channels to an existing group by typing the currently living channel group name. Again, I still color code here as well. Let's talk about the mixer. If you worship the parametric EQ2 like I do, then you'll already have it preloaded on every track, or as many tracks as you could put on, with high pass enabled. Also, let's not forget about some compressors. By the way, default presets for the Fruity limiter is pretty garbage. Raise the ceiling so nothing gets limited, and set both attack and release to the 12 o'clock position to make it more transparent on the start. Now, before you go and load an EQ one at a time, know that you can change the plugin's default preset on load. Side note, always have things bypassed. You'll keep your CPU from crying and prevent early mixing headaches. Oh god. Check out this bus routing. Drums, lead, bass split, which I'll talk about later. Effects, all run through the submix. Why? Because I can instantly A/B my current mix to a reference track. Don't forget to push the sends to the submix as well. All these blue channels are pre-routed to the drum bus. Side note, here's where all my macros for my bus mutes. Kick and sub are already pushed to mono. Look, my template might not be for everyone, and I thoroughly encourage you guys to create your own templates from what you learn throughout your music making career. All I'm doing here is cutting down on the repetitive shit I always make in each project. If you want the template, I'll have it down as a download in the description. Enjoy.